there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Tanner from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started on the left hand side, and we'll start by drawing in a nice big circle for our left eye. We're going to move across on the right, leaving a small gap and replicating that. Now as you move in towards the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right, closing that off. And then as we move underneath both eyes for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a half circle. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line directly across in the middle. Now let's draw on our hat. So coming across on the left, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes all the way over and through towards the right. And now let's close off the face. On the left hand side, creating a circle, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to move across on the right, arching this line around and then back in on the bottom. Now for the hat on both sides, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes in on the top. And then again from here, we're just going to bring this line straight across towards the right, connecting that. Let's close off the top of the hat now. So we're going to arch this line up and then through towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to bring this line over and then down on the right. Now let's draw on the torso. So on the inside, on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We're going to replicate this over on the right, making sure we end that at the same height. And then now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. Let's draw on the hair behind. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, again, ending that at the same height. And then now from this point, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the side. Now moving over, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then again, from that point, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the side of our head. And that is it. That's how you draw Tanner from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.